Have you ever wondered how a dinosaur slept? Did they curl up under trees like cats? Lie flat like crocodiles? Or rest standing like elephants? It's a fascinating question, and one paleontologists have been piecing together using fossil clues, modern animal comparisons, and creative science. In this video, we'll dive into the theories of how dinosaurs may have slept, what the fossil record tells us, and what questions still remain. To guess how dinosaurs may have slept, we start with their living relative. On one side of their evolutionary, birds. On the other side, reptiles like lizards and crocodiles. Birds sleep in a range of ways. Many perch on branches, tucking their heads under their wings. Some, like ducks, sleep with one eye open, a phenomenon called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep. Half their brain rests while the other half remains alert for predators. Reptiles, on the other hand, tend to lie flat, usually in warm spots. They don't experience REM sleep, at least not in the same way mammals and birds do. By studying these two groups, scientists can make informed guesses about dinosaur sleep behavior. It's called comparative anatomy, and it's a key tool in paleontology. Fossils rarely capture behavior, but once in a while, nature preserves a moment in time. One of the most famous examples is Emei-long, a small troodontid dinosaur found in China. Its name literally means sleeping dragon. This remarkable fossil shows the dinosaur with its head tucked beneath one forelimb, legs folded under its body, just like a sleeping bird. The posture is so bird-like that it stunned scientists when it was discovered. It suggests that at least some small theropods may have had similar resting positions to their avian descendants. Other fossils also suggest resting behavior. Orictodromeus, for instance, was found in a burrow, suggesting that some dinosaurs may have nested underground to sleep, a behavior seen in many modern animals. Some fossilized trackways show repeated impressions in specific areas, as if a herd returned to the same resting spot repeatedly. This hints at group resting and maybe even social sleep patterns. Let's talk about size. Not all dinosaurs were massive, but the big ones raise a big question. How does something as large as a 30-ton sauropod sleep? Modern large animals like elephants sleep standing up most of the time. They may lie down, but only briefly, to avoid pressure on their organs and the difficulty of getting up. Some paleontologists believe that these dinosaurs rested in short bouts, possibly standing or leaning against trees or rocks. Lying down might have been risky due to their size, because it's too much pressure on internal systems. Smaller dinosaurs, on the other hand, may have had more flexibility. They could lie down, curl up, or even dig shallow pits to rest in. There's also a thermal element. Some dinosaurs may have slept in a curled-up posture to conserve heat, similar to how birds fluff up and tuck in during cold nights. Dinosaurs weren't just individual sleepers. Some species likely slept in nests or even burrows. Fossilized nests have been found in several species, especially hadrosaurs and oviraptorids. These nests, sometimes arranged in colonies, point to structured behavior around sleep and protection of eggs. Burrowing dinosaurs like Orictodromeus might have slept inside their dens, possibly even with juveniles. This paints a picture of intimate, shelter-based sleep. much like modern mammals or reptiles. Evidence also supports the idea that some herding species, like Camarasaurus, may have rested in groups for safety, a tactic still used by many animals today to reduce the risk of predation during vulnerable times like sleep. Did dinosaurs dream? To answer that, scientists have looked at fossilized skulls and endocasts, imprints of brain shapes inside bones. While we can't see dreams, we can infer brain structures. Birds, which evolved from theropods, have complex sleep cycles, including REM sleep. So it's possible that at least some dinosaurs experienced REM, like sleep as well. In fact, some studies on modern ostriches, a primitive bird, show a mix of REM and non-REM sleep, suggesting a transition phase in sleep evolution that might mirror how sleep developed in prehistoric species. Still, we don't know if dinosaurs had vivid dreams, or whether their REM cycles were tied to memory, like in mammals and birds today, but it's a fascinating line of inquiry. Despite these exciting clues, we're still mostly in the dark about dinosaur sleep. Soft tissues, eyelids, muscles, feathers rarely fossilize. We can't directly observe sleep cycles or durations, and behavioral traces are often open to interpretation. Were dinosaurs nocturnal or diurnal? Did they snore? Did they sleep for long stretches like mammals? Or in short bursts like some birds? These are still mysteries, but every fossil, every trace, brings us closer to answers. From the curled-up posture of a sleeping dragon to nesting dinosaurs and burrowers, we're beginning to imagine how the ancient world looked after dark. While we may never know exactly how dinosaurs slept, the clues they've left behind let us dream just a little of life in their world. If you enjoyed this journey into prehistoric sleep, like, subscribe, and let us know what dinosaur mystery you'd like to see next.